Hi everyone. Okay, today we are going to do lesson 8. We are still busy with products, so we're doing products continued. Today we are looking at the difference of two squares. Guys, you will see that my notes are both in English and Afrikaans, so just, deal with it. Okay. Please, guys, remember to always write the date. I'm just reminding you, and draw a line after you are done with your work and work neatly. Okay. So the difference of two squares, guys, is when we multiply two brackets, and what happens inside the brackets are exactly the same. It is repeated, but the one has a minus and the one has a plus. Okay. So let's look at this one. You see, we have x minus 7 multiplied with x plus 7. So it is the same numbers and unknowns that we are multiplying, and then we can use a shortcut, which I'm going to show you now. Okay, but first of all, or before we do that, let's do this the way we learned how to yesterday with our parrot beak. Okay, so we are going to multiply these two, which gives us x squared. Remember, we add the exponents, and then x with 7 is 7x, minus 7x times x is minus 7x, and then 7 times 7 is 49. Remember the negative. Okay. So now we can simplify it further by saying plus 7x minus 7x is 0. So then we are left with x squared minus 49. Okay, let's do another one. So again, you can see that what happens here is exactly the same as what's happening here. Except here we have a plus, here we have a minus. Guys, it doesn't matter if the minus are there or the plus is at the bracket that it's that's at the back. It still works the same way. Okay, the shortcut that I'm going to show you. So let's do it like we did yesterday. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times minus y squared is minus 5 squared. And y times 5 gives us that. And y squared times negative y squared is negative y to the power of 4. Now again, we can simplify it further, because negative 5 squared plus 5y squared gives us 0. So then we have this left. So do you see that the middle terms in our first step, it falls away, because those give us 0 and those two also give us a 0. So they fall away. So what we can say, what we can conclude is that if two brackets are identical and one has a plus and the other has a minus, the two middle terms fall away, like you just saw. So we have a shortcut to do the difference of two squares even quicker than the parrot beak method. Okay, so what you do is you're going to multiply the first two terms in the brackets, and then you're going to only multiply the last two terms of each bracket. So x times x gives us x squared, and minus 3 times plus 3 is minus 9. So that is our shortcut. But guys, don't make up your own rule. It must work like this. The first two and then the last two. Okay, so very easy. But always remember, it only works with if the brackets, or when the brackets are identical and the one has a plus and the other has a minus. Okay, guys, this is your homework. So please remember to send it to me, and please think now when you look clearly at this sums, guys. You see here number 4, both brackets have a plus. So here you're not going to be able to use this shortcut. It only works when one bracket has a plus and one has a minus. So here you're going to use your normal parrot beak method that we learned yesterday. Okay. So guys, on Friday we are writing a test. It will be an informal test. It will either be on Google Classroom or on the WhatsApp group. I'll send it on either of those platforms. I'm still deciding and still looking in on the Google Classroom method or way that I can do it. So remember, I'll let you know what you should study for the test. And if you don't send your answers to me on Friday, or you don't do the test on Google Classroom, then I'm going to tick off your names and your marks as well. Okay, enjoy your day, guys. Bye.